Γεια σας! And now something completely different. Today, I will show you a revolutionary method for learning Greek. Well, learning any language, but Greek especially, and soon you'll see why. By the way, it is not really a revolutionary way to learn a language, but it's not commonly used. So, why don't you try it? Maybe it works for you. Drum roll, please. Our non-revolutionary method of learning Greek is with songs. How does that work? We did not want this platform to ban us because we used something we shouldn't have. So you will see this.
Όλοι λένε, γύρνα σελίδα.
Today's lesson, where you will learn a lot of new words, some grammar, other things too, is the song Elpida. Elpida means hope, and this is a very popular song by a singer, Konstantinos Argiros. You already learned one word, right? Elpida. By the way, it is also a woman's name in Greek, and it's a beautiful name if you ask me, hope. The song Elpida talks about love and being left by someone you love, but not really accepting it. Let's see how it goes.
Όλοι λένε, γύρνα σελίδα, να σε ξεχάσω με τον καιρό.
Okay, let's stop here and learn something. Όλοι λένε means everybody tells me. But be careful, I'm sure you know me λένε. My name is, well, actually, they call me. But μου λένε, they tell to me. Okay, so leo means to tell, and mu means to me. Note that whether it's mu or me, it's always before a verb. Unlike English, where you say tell me, do it to me, or find me, or whatever. It's μου λένε. Όλοι, everybody, μου λένε. Me tell. Everybody tells me. Γύρνα σελίδα. Γύρνα σελίδα. Turn the page. Γύρνα σελίδα. Να σε ξεχάσω. Να σε ξεχάσω. This is a good lesson for na, because people struggle with it. Na means to. Na with the verb means to forget you. Note, su before a verb. To you forget. To forget you. Με τον καιρό. Ο καιρός is time or even weather. So, να σε ξεχάσω με τον καιρό. To forget you with time. Everybody tells me, turn the page. To forget you with time. Let's see what this lady has to say.
Πέρασαν μήνες που δεν σε είδα, είσαι ακόμα εδώ.
Let's see. Πέρασαν μήνες. Oh, months have gone by. Πέρασαν, they're gone. Ο μήνας is a month. Μήνες, plural. Πέρασαν μήνες που δεν σε είδα. Που means that. Be careful. Που with accent is where. Που without an accent is just a connector. Months have gone by that I didn't see you. Δεν σε είδα. Είδα is past tense. Months have gone by that I haven't seen you or I didn't see you. Και είσαι ακόμα εδώ. And you are still here. Είσαι ακόμα still εδώ here. Let's go on.
Όλοι λένε, γύρνα σελίδα, βρες κάτι άλλο, να ξεχαστείς.
Όλοι λένε, γύρνα σελίδα. Everybody tells me. Remember from the beginning. Everybody tells me, turn the page. Βρες κάτι άλλο. Find something else. Allos in Greek means a different one, another one, other, or else. Κάτι, something. Άλλο, else. Βρες κάτι άλλο να ξεχαστείς. Remember, να, to forget. Ξεχνάω means to forget. I forget. Βρες κάτι άλλο να ξεχαστείς. Find something else to forget. Let's keep going.
Ζω κι αναπνέω με την ελπίδα πως κάποια μέρα θα έρθεις.
Ζω και αναπνέω. Ζω means I live. You know this word. You know the name Zoe, right? You know zoo or even zodiac. So Zoe is life. Zo means to live. Zoa, living things, basically animals. Zodiac comes from there. So zo, I live. Anapneo, I breathe. You know pneumonia and stuff like that. Zo και αναπνέω, I live and I breathe. Με την ελπίδα, with hope. Remember hope from the beginning? Πως κάποια μέρα θα ρθεις. That, another word for that. When it's with accent, πως means how. When it's without an accent, it's a connector. That, κάποια μέρα, someday, I know you know μέρα, κάποια μέρα θα ρθεις. Θα is future. Θα ρθεις, you will come. I live and I breathe with hope that one day you will come back.
Με ξενύχτισες πάλι με ποτό και κρεπάλη. Η καρδιά δεν με βγάζει ασπροπρόσωπο.
Με ξενύχτισες πάλι. I know you know νύχτα. Ξενυχτίζω means to keep someone awake. Με ξενύχτισες. You kept me awake again. Πάλι. You kept me awake again. Με ποτό και κρεπάλη. Ποτό is drink. Κρεπάλη would be like a hangover or a bad condition. Η καρδιά δεν με βγάζει ασπροπρόσωπο. Καρδιά, I know you know this. Cardio, heart. Δεν με βγάζει ασπροπρόσωπο. Άσπρος, white. Πρόσωπο, face. If you're white-faced, it means to be proud. Η καρδιά δεν με βγάζει ασπροπρόσωπο. My heart is not making me proud. My heart is like letting me down. You kept me awake all night with booze and hangover. My heart is not making me proud. Like something bad's going on there.
Το κεφάλι σκυμμένο, το μυαλό θολωμένο και το γέλιο σβησμένο από το πρόσωπο.
Το κεφάλι σκυμμένο. Κεφάλι is a head. Σκύβω means to bend down. Το κεφάλι σκυμμένο, my head bent down, bow down. Το μυαλό, inside your head, brain, θολωμένο, unclear, blurred, foggy. Το κεφάλι σκυμμένο, το μυαλό θολωμένο. Can you see in what bad state he's in? Και το γέλιο σβησμένο από το πρόσωπο. Το γέλιο, smile, σβησμένο, erased from my face. We learn, just before we learn the face, πρόσωπο. And my smile is erased from my face.
Με παρές γυρίζω, τα αρώμα σου ξορκίζω σε καινούρια φιλιά και αρώματα.
Με παρέες γυρίζω. Γυρίζω. You know gyros, turning around. I'm sure you like gyros. Με παρέες γυρίζω. With my friends. Παρέα, a group of friends. Παρέες, plural. Με παρέες γυρίζω. I hang out, I go around, I check out places. Με παρέες γυρίζω. Τα αρώμα σου ξορκίζω. Άρωμα. Άρωμα, you know. Smell, scent of you. Ξορκίζω. I let go. I want to let go. I want to forget even your smell. Σε καινούρια φιλιά και αρώματα. With new friendships and new scents. Oh, like he wants to replace her with new ones. Her scent with new scents. Her friendship with new friendships. He wants to replace her.
Πώς να μείνουμε φίλοι που δεν σβήνει απ' τα χείλη το όνομά σου με χίλια ονόματα, το όνομά σου με χίλια ονόματα.
And then the last question. Πώς να μείνουμε φίλοι? How to stay friends? How can we stay friends? Remember να. Πώς να μείνουμε φίλοι? Plural of philos is φίλοι, ομικρον ιώτα. Που δεν σβήνει απ' τα χείλη. When from my lips τα χείλη, then something can't be erased. And in the next verse, you hear what cannot be erased. Το όνομά σου με χίλια ονόματα. Your name with thousands other names. How can we stay friends if your name cannot be erased from my lips with thousands other names? Heartbreaking, huh? He still loves her. She's not there. Her friends tell him, come on, forget about her, let her go. It's not easy, huh? In many websites, you can find the lyrics to this song and even English translation, different kinds of free translation, maybe AI translation, not sure. But here is a breakdown of the words. Literal translation. I'm not a poet, so I can't do it properly, but I hope this can be a good lesson for you to make a change from books and notebooks and workbooks and studying hard. This is a beautiful, beautiful song. This is a popular song. This is a heartwarming or heartbreaking song, as you wish. And check it out, definitely. Konstantinos Argiros, Elpida. On the website, you can check all the words, like the vocabulary, short explanation of every single word in this part of the song that we did today. You can subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. You can share it with your friends. But most importantly, please comment and let me know how you like it. Maybe we can do the second part of the song or more songs, new songs. Ζω και αναπνέω με την ελπίδα. I hope that you will do it. Ελπίζω. Εντάξει, έτσι είναι. Αυτό είναι. Αρκετά για σήμερα. Thank you so much for staying here, for being here for such a long time and putting up with this. Thank you for all your support, especially for this today, which is very unusual and uncommon, but everything I do it for you. That's a different song. Never mind. Okay, everything here is for you to learn. Let us know how you like it and be good and yasas.